What's up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm in the neighborhoods. One of my neighbors who has these birds, and she's selling them. The doves, the pigeons. These are the ordinary ones. We have the unique ones. You see? They look like peacock. Yeah. From behind, the feathers are like this. Look at that. Look at them. There are many. Saseni, hi. How are you? And we have the different kind of poultry. In fact, this one is lays egg. Look at this. This is a small cuckoo. Look at it. Very, very small. So, just that. Oh, mama. I'm trying to open because look at it. The smallest poultry. They are from different countries. You can see them. They look like doves. They are the size. This is chicken, cuckoo. It's size of a dove, but you see, ornamental birds. So please come one. This is the ordinary one mixed with the other one. You see, I want you to see. So they are being fed in different positions, in different cages. I want to show you. Let me show you. Look at the birds, the njiwa. Look at them. Yeah. So they are being fed mutama. We call them. What is mutama? Mutama is the finger millet. We give them the normal animal feeds. Look at that. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Marwa, I wish you could see this. I am Marwa. I know you love this. This is Joska Brigand School. Joska Brigand Girls School. Yeah, just the neighbor. It's adjacent. Look at this kind of a bird. Marwa, I am inviting you to come and see this because I know you love unique birds. Here they are, our neighborhoods. Yeah, you just come and negotiate the price. You check them. These birds, they are look unique pigeons. Njiwa za aina yake. Angalia, kuna manyoya different. I don't know how to express them. Look at the head is hiding. This is heat. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. Oh. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, mashallah. Mashallah. That is how unique it is. Look at even, it's just made like simple. It is made simple. So this is a bucket, a normal bucket. You cut half the sideways. You see the top, you cut the side, you put it like a cage. Yani ni ndoo umekata tu nusu kando yake kwa kiuno. And then you make it where they can lay eggs through. Look at it. I don't know. Look at them. These ones, I don't know. So I was opting like, look at them. There are many, and others are outside. Look at them. And in fact, it has been raining. Look at them. Niko hapa mami. Wapi? Yarengei. Abutari nchena igora. Yarengei igora. Wana wasmaiti. Onchiro chile specific chi. Mulu chigore. Like this one. Nara. Ni ukweli. Sawa. So this, you see these ones, it has feathers in the legs. You have to work over them. This is a full-time job when you love them. Let me see them. The doors were open here. She's saying that the unique ones, so she can't expose them. Look at this. like she's sick only. She's heavier. Yeah, very heavy. She's the size of a hen. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, we can. Look at it. Come and support a sister, a brother by buying them. You know, they are becoming more. You need to lessen them so that at least she can have space for another one, because she's having even the poultry, the chicken. These are dark, but unique dark. Yeah, you see them. So, oh, I don't know. Look at them. They're here. You just come and whatever you want, you just select, and then she will tell you the price. You negotiate, and then she will just give it to you. Look at them. So this is the normal ones. This is the unique ones. This one is not the same as this. It isn't the same. And part of the ducks are there. Look at them. I'll be showing you little by little. Hi. Hi. I don't want to touch. We have some here. The little ones are here. So after they stay in the sun, you know, they're mixed from there. We have the queries, we have the guinea fowls, and the normal poultry. That's why you're seeing different sizes. So, in fact, they are so nice. You see, they are not even fighting. Look at them. They are being put in a carton, which is so nice. So she's trying to put them so that they can have heat. And these are the mothers, like this, very small. Look at them. I wish I could hold her. She's so nice. Look at that. Look at that. So, and the doves are up there. These are the doves. And we have more, guys. And we have some in the other side. You see them? These are the young ones. Yeah. If you need, just book them. Come, and you see how beautiful they are. Whatever you want is here. Come and support the sister. We are here to support each other. So she's using some like carton to make them hot, the warm. You see, the doves are there. I need to show you these ones. I don't know. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I am Marwa. You love the pigeons. These are unique pigeons. They said they are called. They have a different name. Hi. Hello. How are you? So, and we have these ones. The big ones. Look at them. Look at them. They're unique in their own way. So just book. If you want the biggest one, you want the small one, come for them. Come for them. They are on sale. Yeah, some are on sale, and then we keep some for extra. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Look at that. I want you to see that, but she's running away. She's very dark. That is it. Let me show you the other one. Look at that. I hope itanirukia. Najua inarukanga. Tidiko igora. Te ncharokera. Kadem. Tidiko watermelon. That is it. Look at the big one. Mbona watebi? Aya kutu amnya komnyo kochigo.
Embura ni nyingi. Lakini nitaiko kwa nyumba. Isipokuwa sukuma na nini nyingine tena.
Sukuma. Hizo ni nyingi. Ulikuwa unanunua mbao?
Umuntu ndetere.
Alikuwa anauza.
Si alikuwa nasikia ninataka sukuma.
Oh, ni sukuma yuko. Oh, hiyo ni sukuma si ndio hiyo na spinach.
Sasa kalileta makasema. Hizi ndio zile kiasi kama hizo.
Jaribu.
Lakini ndakete.
Itabidi ufence.
Ngonyole chebi
Tezi na saidia.
Ni chimbe kitamara.
Itasaidia.
Sibana nalikuwa ngali mama mimi sinzakura abika none ye. Mumenya kuchanya ya meeting.
Nchiroro. Nchiroro kinata mimi sasa nimeweka nursery. Mingi.
Ndio kwenda.
Ndete ngende. I'm available.